Assalamu alaikum dear students. So today I am making a new video that is related to financial accounting, SAP S/4HANA financial accounting, accounts payable. So hopefully it will be helpful for you to perform your exercise. First of all, let's see what are the things we are going to do. This is basically a process overview diagram wise, and you can see in this whole process financial accounting only means this is an internal activity of accounting functional area, nothing coming from outside. Why? Because already the data is transferred by other functional areas while they run their transactions in their respective processes. So these are the topics that we are going to do. And by the way, again, as our practice, you can see we used to perform those steps. Like we will do step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we can skip, it is just review. 7 we will do it, 8, 9 we can skip, then 10 we have to do, 11 and 12 we can skip. So let's see, let's go to the SAP screen. So here is the SAP screen. You can see where we have to go. We have to go to, first of all, we have to go to accounts, financial accounting, accounts payable. So let's go to financial accounting. Let me log in again with the ID that is working for the students. Let's say this one. So that's it. Now we are inside here. So where we go? We'll go to financial accounting. Here is the financial accounting, and let's click on financial accounting so that we will have an options for financial accounting tab. Now accounts payable page. So here is an accounts payable page, okay, and then head of accounting section. This is head of accounting section, and then manage GL account master data app. So you can see manage GL account master data app. So we will click on this one. Okay, now here what we have to do, we have to click on create, and here after clicking create, this screen will come, and here what you have to do, you have to add the data. In the GL account master data screen, in GL account field, enter this number. I'm going to enter it now. So as our practice, triple hash will be replaced with your number. I am replacing it with my number. Then after this one, chart of account, and in chart of account you have to select GL00. So you can directly put, although in the exercise they are asking you to search, but once you know the data, as my practice, put it directly. As GL account type, balance sheet account. So here balance sheet account, okay, and then in the account group field, select account group window, here, and here they say that put 01 asset account, current asset account. Then after putting all this data, you have to put in the short text bank, then triple hash, again you will replace this triple hash with your number. I am replacing it with my number. Then in the long text you have to put bank account and then number. So here is the long text. Again replace triple hash with your number. Then now next you assign new GL account to a company code. Therefore in the company code data area please select create. So you have to go down, company code data, and here what you have to do, here you have to click on create. So what you have to enter here in a company code assignment window, open, select the value help. The chart of account GL field should be GL00, new company code. In the company code assignment window, where it is, this is the company code assignment window. What we do, new company code assignment, and the chart of account and GL field should already be filled with GL00. Okay. And 180, then that number. Company code assignment window, where it is, here it is, company code assignment window, yes. Okay, chart of account GL field should already be filled with GL00. Account field, GL account field should already be filled with GL00. Your account number is this one. Okay, already this is the number. Okay, what next we have to do? Choose the entry field US00. Your selection will automatically add USD and account currency. Where we have to go for this? Yes, here you have to select US00. Then USD automatically come as a currency, and then select the checkbox only balance in local currency here. Then go to the management area in the sort key field. Management area definitely will be down. sort key field, here is the sort key field. They are asking 001. Okay. Then in the create bank interest area, here field status group ZGBS. Okay. Then select relevant to cash flow. Here this one. Then they say that first column with OK and then save. See, this is the error. Active company code assignment US00 in GL account. This already exists. So this is actually not an error. This account is already created. But I have shown you the whole procedure, how you are going to create this account. So once you did this successfully, what will happen? You will have a message. Account has been saved successfully. Number will not be generated, but just account creation message will come. In my case, it is not coming because this account is already created. So what I will do, I will go out from here and we will do the next step. So we will do the next step. So we will go out from here, and for the next step, where we have to go? Now we have to create a reconciliation account. Again we will go manage GL account master data. So let's go out from here, manage GL account master data, financial accounting, accounts payable, head of accounting, and manage GL master data. Here we will follow the same thing, same path. Again we will click on create, and in that screen again chart of account is GL00, capital small doesn't matter. But here what they are saying, you have to add the number. What was it? This one, 330 triple hash 5, and then replace triple hash with your number. So I am not replacing with 999 because most probably if I replace it with 999, it will give me the same message that account already exists. So I am replacing it with 998. So that you will be able to see that this account has been created, right? So what we do, chart of account is GL00. Okay, what next? Balance sheet account. So account type is balance sheet account. Then in account group field, value icon, again in the select account group window, opens the chart of GL00, should already have been automatically transferred. Then select entry 03 as outside capital. Account group category, outside capital. Okay, and they did not ask us to enter anything as a short text or long text. Now here it is, short text is this one. Replace it with triple hash. So I'm putting 998. Then long text again replace triple hash with your number. I'm replacing it with my number. Then now they are saying again go to company code data area, and here you have to again click on create. So quite similar option that earlier you have done, and here you have to again the same mechanism will be there. The company code, this and that. Company code is again will come as US00. USD is already there. Now they are saying in the result sheet US00 you selected, okay. GL00 is already your GL account number. Now they are saying USD already added. You have to select reconciliation account for account type. In the reconciliation account for account type, here K vendor, this is you have to select. Then in the account management area, here in this area, what you have to do, you have to put 001 as a sort key. You can type or you can select from the list. Okay. Then in the create bank interest area, you have to put ZRAA as a field status group. ZRAA, capital small doesn't matter. Then they say that click on OK and then click on save. Save. See, this message will come. Note down this message. Similar type of message will come whenever you are creating account. No new number generated. Why? Because you already give this number earlier. So our second step is done now. Now let's go and see the third step. Create expense account in general ledger. So we will go at the same place. We'll go out from here and click here manage. Same route, financial accounting, accounts payable, head of accounting, manage GL account master data. And here what we do, here we will again put this number. First we will click on create, and here in the GL account number we will put this. So I am replacing this triple hash with 998. Why I am not replacing it with 999? Because most probably this data is already there, and you know I used to do these exercises every semester 2-3 times, so that's why most probably majority of such type of master data are already exist. So that's why, just to show you, that's why I use 998 instead of 999. Then again the same mechanism here. Chart of account is GL00. Then they say that primary cost or revenue as account group. So we will select primary cost or revenue. What is the number for this one? 56. Operative expenditures, yes. Then again short text, long text. So now they are saying select this short and long. They are saying put in both. So what we do, we put here and replace this one, put here and replace this one. By the way, you know, whenever we are just writing a text, so it is just for remembering that which type of account it is. It is just like a comment, nothing more than that. Then again you have to go to company code data, and again you have to click create here. Again the same thing, they are telling you that things will appear, account number is appearing here like this. Now here again what you have to do, the same thing, you have to put US00 as a company code from here, and automatically USD is added. Now again you have to select account management area, you have to, as a sort key you will put 001, sort key 001, and posting without text allowed, that checkbox you have to select, posting without text allowed. Okay, this checkbox we have to select. Then again we have to go to create bank interest here, and here we have to select ZEXP here, ZEXP. Again this is capital, small, doesn't matter, and then you will click on OK, and then finally you will go to the controlling data, and in the controlling data you will put controlling area NA00, cost center element category here, but you can see it's already there. What they are asking us, go to controlling data. Okay, so we go to controlling data, and in the controlling data, now the setting in controlling area NA00, but you can see there is no row here. So what we do, maybe we'll click on generate, in the cost element category, I guess this one, this is company name. Cost element category we have to put 01. So let's search here, where is the cost element category. NA00 is already there. So I'm just trying to fix this. So by mistake that thing was added, so I just remove it. So here they are saying field status group ZEXP expense in lower screen area is okay. Finally go to controlling data. So here we are in the controlling data, and in the controlling data now they are saying in the row containing controlling area NA00 cost element category column this 01. Basically over here we don't have any row. So let me check, maybe somewhere cost element category is here. Yeah, basically somewhere it should be here. So let's check here, maybe here, setting in controlling area. No. Okay, let me go back from here. Maybe this is already here, so most probably but it is also not available. Okay guys, I have find out what can be the issue. This GL account type we did not select it, that we have to select as a primary cost or revenue as it is mentioned in the exercise. So as it is mentioned here in the exercise, we have to select this primary cost or revenue, and once we did that, rest of the data we have already added. Now when we go to the company code data, and here after entering this data, let's first, previously they were asking us to enter, and now you can see this row has been added here. See, so here we put 01 against this field, and then we will save. So what will happen when we save it? We will again receive a message. See, so now what happened? I guess that has been created. So let's check with the next step. Now the next step is basically create vendor master record or landlord. So we are going to create that landlord record or master record for the vendor. Where we have to go? We have to go to business partner vendor, to the space financial accounting, and choose accounts payable page. So this is accounts payable page, and here what we have to do, we have to click on AP accountant section, accounts payable accountant section. Okay, please use app manage business partner master data, this one. And here what happened? Here we have to click on create organization, and under organization here we have to enter some data, like in the BP role we put this one here. Then next we have to select company, organization title, company. Then in the address, cardinal properties, here name one, cardinal properties. Replace triple hash with your number, 999, my number, so you will replace it with your number. Street is Pioneer Trail. Street maybe little bit up here. Then city is Eden Pryor, city. Okay, then postal code 55347. Then country region USA, the region is MN, Minnesota. And language is English. What next? And then they said click OK. Now this screen will be generated. Now they are saying in the search term field, search term 1, here you will put actually triple hash, so you will replace triple hash with your number. Then go to roles area. In the roles area, now they are saying you have to go inside here, and here you have to enter some more data. They are open, a new screen will be generated. Go to company code area, and in the company code area you have to click create, because you have to create a record. And here you have to enter the company code US00. Then in the finance area, reconciliation account, here you have to put this. Remember, this is the number that you have created in step number 2. So I put there 998. So this is the step that you are going to okay. Then payment data sub area, definitely it will be here. Payment terms 0001. Okay, then check double invoice, then they say that click on apply, again apply, and then they say that click on create. So when I click create here, beware, you will receive a number that is your vendor number that you have to save, write down somewhere. See, this is the number. So this is the first entry that you are going to do it in your data sheet. Okay, so let me write it also, 1003559, because later on it will be used. Okay, so let's go to the next step. Now step number 5 is posting transfer funds to the alternate bank account. So we will go out from here. Where we have to go now? We have to go to again financial accounting, choose page accounts payable, this one. Okay, in the financial accounting, accounts payable. Okay, and then head of accounting section. Okay, use post general journal entries here, this one. Now here they are asking us to enter some data. General entry date, they said put today's date. So as I told you, put the date from calendar. US00 already there, USD already there. Please change the period to the current month. Current month is 7, so period we will put 07. Then in the reference field you are going to put your triple hash, means your number, so I am putting it my number. Okay, header text, transfer of fund. Here is the header text, so we will put transfer of funds. Then company code US00. Okay, now GL account number, this one that you have created in the first step, here. So where, just be careful, it's in a debit field. Okay, so I will replace this triple hash with my number. So remember, I am going to put here, now I can put 999, no problem, because that one I have already created. Then 5000 is the debit amount. Currency is USD. use the second line to enter company code US00. Okay, GL account, this number 18 and then I guess 5 zeros, and now they are saying in the credit put 5,000. Now they say that after entering all this data, press enter. Once you enter this, press enter. Now they are mentioning here that you can see the total balance is showing 0 because 5,000 debit and 5,000 credit, both things are get balance. Now they said click on simulate. With simulation, what happen, it will show you how it is working. You can see here it is debit and here it is credit. Even if you do not put simulate, no problem, you can directly now click on post. When you click on post, what will happen, you will have a number generated. Two numbers are going to be generated. One will be the journal entry and the second one will be the journal entry. So let's click on post and see. See, these two numbers are generated. One, this one, and that is, I guess you have to note down 1 and so many zeros and then 50. So this is the document we are going to generate basically. Now step number 6 you can skip, that is review transfer of funds. Step number 7, now we are going to do the invoice creation. So let's go out from here. Invoice creation. So where we have to go? We have to go to financial accounting, accounts payable, AP accountant section, create supplier invoice. Here. So in create supplier invoice, now what you are going to do, you are going to put US00 as a company code, already there. Today's date, invoice date field, today's date, and $1,500 as a gross invoice amount here, and by the way, I have already told you, when you are entering the data, don't put .00 because that will come automatically. So here is 1,500 you have put as the amount. Currency is USD already coming. If not, you will type. Then you are going to put this cardinal 1 as a reference here and replace this triple hash with your number. I am replacing it with my number. What else left? Now in the invoicing party field, search your, you can use 3-digit number in the last search field, top left, enter cardinal and confirm your entries with enter. Now by the way, this is the number I have created as a vendor number. So no need to search, directly type that number. For me it was 1003559. See, cardinal properties. That's why I always emphasize to note down all the numbers, so that once you know it, you can directly enter that number instead of searching, because sometimes searching takes lot of time. Now what you have to do after that, you have to go to GL account items area, here, and here they say that click on add, okay, new line, and here in the new line what they are saying, in the debit credit indicator field select debit, okay, enter the expense account you created, that is 63 something, so this one is 631,995, okay, and what is the amount they are saying, put 1500, no comma, no dot. Then they say that at the bottom click on check. Okay, let's check with the other account, 998. Okay, then let's see what happened next. Okay, this message is coming basically, account this require and see on object. This means the following for posting the expense account in parallel to external financial accounting specify accounting object. For this purpose you can use cost center. To do this, first open the detail area of your GL account item. Where is the detail area of your GL account item? Click on show detail, and here they are saying you have to do this account assignment area, okay, account assignment area in the cost center. In the cost center here what they are saying, put this value, okay. Then they say that click on check. See, invoice was successfully checked. Then you can put simulate, or you can click on post. Now once you click on post, there will be number generated that you have to note down. This is the number that you have to note down. So this is another entry required on your data sheet. And then if they say that you want to create another invoice, we don't want to create another one. Now step 8, just display, we can ignore this one. Step 9 also display, you can do it by yourself, nothing new creating. Step 10 we are going to do, this is the post payment to the landlord. Now means we are going to pay the payment to the landlord. And then step number 11 is again display, and 12 is running financial statement. So this will be our effectively last step of the exercise, post payment to the landlord. So where to go? Again we will go to financial accounting, AP accountant section, post outgoing payment tab. This one. Now here what we do, here again company code US00, date is the current date. Also in the general entry date, current. Okay. Invoice cardinal as a reference. So we'll copy this. Reference. So replace this triple hash with your number. I am replacing it with my number, 999. Period as current month. So it will be 07 because we are in month 7. Then here in the GL account, enter your account. This is the account that you created in step number 1. So as I told you that it gave me error when I try to create 995 because it's already created. But I can use. Only creation was not possible, but usage is available. Now amount we are going to put 1500 USD. General type entry KZ. Already there. In the open item selection area, check that as the account type supplier is selected. Okay. As the account ID, enter your vendor supplier number. Now here you are going to put that vendor supplier number that I guess you have created in step number 4. 1003 559. This is my number, by the way, not yours. Okay. Then click on show items. Okay. Now they say that at the end of the line, select clear. See, entry is there. When you click on clear, what will happen? This amount will be clear. Means wherever the posting required, it will be done. And this value should be 0 after you click on clear. See, this entry becomes 0. Now, once you are done with this, they say that you have to click on post. And once you click on post, another number will be generated that you have to note down. See, this number is generated that you are going to note down. And if you want to see further, you can click on display button and it will show you the whole story. So that is from my side. Step number 11 and 12 you can do it by yourself. So that's the end of this video. Hopefully it will help you to understand this process, and I will come inshallah very soon with other remaining videos that are not created yet. So thank you so much for encouraging me to create further videos for the remaining topics. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.